At Great Stirrup Cay, you can do absolutely everything. Or absolutely nothing. You can go ziplining over miles of white sandy beaches. Or you can do nothing. You can feel the indescribable rush of being soaked by gallons of water right on top of you. Or just, do nothing. Everything, nothing. Everything, nothing. You could do this, and this, and this. Or you could not do any of those things. Out here, you can do it all, or nothing at all. Because at Great Stirrup Cay, nothing or everything are both the right thing. Norwegian Cruise Line. It's different out here.